俺はどんな出会いを。
Oh my god.
There's literally nothing. It's just shotguns and pistols here.
These are a few of my favorite things. Shotguns, pistols, and...
Yeah. Shotguns and pistols and no good scoped weapon.
Alright, I'll grab some guns and head your way.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh shit, I'm dead.
You are?
This guy is blind as hell.
Everybody's unique in their own way.
What? Oh yeah.
Yep, definitely unique in their own way. Three. There's 2 UAZs and a buggy over there.
I only have 3.
We should just take these 2 vehicles over there, park them with that herd of vehicles over there.
I'm in. Oh, Jesus!
Oh, there's dead bodies.
That was
right here.
close.
These are unlooted dead bodies.
What? They crashed. They must have crashed.
You get off.
Something happened.
I'm just taking everything. There's only 2 though.
I'm confused as to what happened here. There's 3 bodies. There might be 4 bodies here.
Oh my god, you're right.
What in the world?
Yeah, I don't know.
Smokes,
I don't know what
smoke
happened here.
grenades. I can only assume this was communal suicide.
This is what it looks like. Yeah.
Like, Mom
Like
was
they had a grenade and they killed themselves because their friend was dead.
Kevin,
No
it's
one's
time
taking
for
this first
dinner. We're playing games, Mom.
Aw.
Give me dinner.
You worthless pieces of shit! That's why your dad doesn't love you!
Oh.
That's how that escalated in my mind.
Joe, you get your motorcycle.
Oh. I like the
Wait,
horse. I don't know.
there's
I don't know what I'm
another.
saying.
I
Oh.
found another body. I have an M24, so somebody else can have the Slayer. I
I'll
can't
take
get
it,
out.
I'll
You
take
got
it.
you locust.
Wah! Wah!
It's a Groza, not a sniper.
How do you have a 4x on that thing? I didn't even know
Yeah.
you could do that.
That is the worst.
Oh. Get him. Get him. Oh! Get him!
Oh, it's a seagull!
He died.
Oh, I thought I had it on auto. Did not.
How is this happening? What the fuck? How is this happening? How come I don't get in these situations?
This guy's using a 4x on the Groza.
Every time I spectate Sung, I'm just flabbergasted at the people he fights.
Like this is bullshit. I run into people that shoot me before they turn corners.
So this guy's just like, I'm a jump.
Oh, I'm just casually walking around.
That guy was like, most people are like, I'm a shoot. That guy goes, I'm a jump.
don't
I'ma jump real
it's
high.
not good for.
Okay. Fine. SKS, where's this body?
Wait. Why'd you drop your Groza?
I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, I don't have weapons! Oh, you have a ghillie? Yo, go run out there.
What?
Oh yeah, you could just prone JT.
Yeah, you like invisible.
Alright, let me just prone on top of this hill.
They're probably
Yeah.
on your right a little bit, towards your north.
Should I throw some grenades?
No, don't give away your position. It's a team of 2,
Wah.
you guys gotta play.
Well, here.
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa! I got fucking sniped. There's 10. Oh, Jordan. Hide.
Prone.
Hide.
Deal. Prone, they won't see you. You gotta heal.
I think they're gonna find me.
Oh, yes. Get them, Jordan. Get them. Yep, between us, between us.
I win.
Nice.
Buddy is on the hill over here.
Knocked him with the crossbow.
Shot him with the crossbow.
There's one on the other side right there.
Well, the circle's closing at 16, so I'm going underneath the bridge and swinging.
Got him. Whoa.
Nice.
Oh, 3G.
Yeah, someone's at 305.
I'm shot at! I'm being shot at!
Oh my head. Oh, I was fucking laying there. And then I am down.
You're trapped. Knock one. There's one running up right now.
They're all dead. They're all dead. They're all dead.
65.
God, I knocked that guy and
Anyone need first
Knock
aid?
one of the houses.
oh, yeah, I saw that.
He's at that big hay bale out
It
there.
seems swapping, yeah.
Getting watched. Knocked that guy again.
Shit. This one hurts. This one hurts.
Yeah, it does. Holy crap.
Should took a boost. Should took a boost. Should took a boost.
Fortunately, they're
Alright, there
using
was a
bolt
guy at one of
actions.
these hay bales right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
nope,
no,
he's not.
Where'd he crawl to then?
The circle sucks. Yeah.
There he is, 305. Doesn't have a helmet.
Oh, I see him. He's by the round bale.
I killed him. I'm down. There's another guy shooting at me from the house.
Yep.
The guy in the house has just got like ideal spot.
I saw him for a split
I'm gonna
second.
immediately toss his smoke once I pick up here.
He's peeking.
Oh my god, how did...
Knocked him.
I'm knocked.
His buddy's on the first floor.
He just went downstairs.
Second floor. He's resing him.
If you can get me, now would be the time.
I'm gonna try to run to you, but I don't think.
No, it's too late. It's too late. Forget it.
Oh,
Forget it,
knocked
forget
one
it,
on the
forget it,
stairs.
Forget it. Then I'm gonna
I
die.
shot his leg twice.
Don't run. Don't run. I'm
Ah,
dead,
the one
don't
at the
run.
one. Damn it. Well, I can take your.
They all just in that house.
I just killed.
I killed one on the second floor. Nate kept him.
I just got
suppressed.
2. Yeah.
I have one. Oh shit! To the right.
Guy run from the
340.
from the right.
Hit him once.
He's level 3'd. You guys have only 2
Alright, so
people to
there's
fight
2
against.
other guys left.
Right here.
That one's dead.
Okay,
Alright, first
I
guy
have
you guys
one
seen
more.
run across his last one left.
He's level 3.
Probably get him.
Inside.
Yep.
Got him.
Gosh, I'm never gonna use my other gun.
Me neither.
I've only been using my SK.
There he is.
Oh my god, that guy. Fuck that guy.
Oh! There's a guy to my side here.
Oh, I don't
the
know.
south?
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah, there's a guy there. Smoke down.
I'm not safe here.
I'm
Not
dropping
safe.
smoke if you
Safe.
need smoke.
Hit him twice.
Just pick that one back up.
Got him.
Okay.
You can get my
Going
7.6 if you need any ammo.
I'm just
Last
gonna-
one, 220. Level 3 helmet. Hit him once.
Fuck him up, team.
Hit him twice.
He's dead.
Yeah. Dude, oh, I see him. Isn't it him? No. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, it's like you look at him.
I finished him.
Alright, cool. Oh, I missed.
Shit.
Get him, son.
Oh, got him. There's other peeps though.
Nading him. I'm running across the street right now. Get back.
Oh, you killed him. Oh, that was the first guy. Never mind.
Got his buddy. Woo. Somebody shot at me.
Oh, yep.
I see him.
Right there.
Someone throwing grenades at me.
They were right there, right?
It's just 2 people.
Oof. I don't know where
Where?
the
I
one
don't know
in the
where that
grass
guy
is.
is. Oh, there's one.
Knocked out
Nice.
one.
Left.
Coming to you, son.
Okay.
Careful, they're throwing grenades at Song.
They should be out. They do like 6.
The survivor has
VSS.
Well, the other guy's
VSS,
still
yeah.
alive, so you just gotta be careful that he's not picking him up right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually go check for that.
Yep.
Throw a grenade.
Knocked him again.
There's to the right. Is the other one? Between the trees? Yeah!
Ah, feels good. Dome people. Ah, 5 kills, man. 5
6.
feels good.
Did I have any? Oh, I had 3. Okay.
Ooh, we did work.